hot chocolate.
Oh, it's cold. I need some cute hot chocolate to warm me up. Welcome back to Doodleville. I'm here with Krista, my 11-year-old daughter.
Hi.
Hi. And what are we going to do today? What do we need?
We're going to draw a hot chocolate cup. And we're going to need something to draw with. A Sharpie, marker, crayon, color pencil, or mechanical pencil, whatever. And
Perfect.
you're going to need a piece of paper.
Mm-hmm. Good. So let's get started. We're going to start with a line down. A line down for the mug. And then a line across. And then another line down for the mug. Then we're going to make a line here, the top of the mug. Got it, sweetie?
Mm-hmm.
Good job, everybody. Okay, then we're going to make our handle. We're going to make our handle on this side, or you can make it on this side. You choose. Do a big half circle. And then another half circle inside. Next, I'm going to make some marshmallows sticking out because everybody likes marshmallows. Okay, here's one marshmallow right here. Need two lines on the side and then kind of a rounded head top. And then a little line in here, but don't touch the ends. Then we're going to make another one. I'm going to make one laying down. And then a rounded top. Like so. Then I'm going to make another one over here. Sticking out. The rounded top. Good job, Krista. And then I want to make another one over here with another rounded top. You can leave it plain or you can give your marshmallows faces. It's up to you. I like to give mine faces, so I'm going to make a little oval for eye.
Add another marshmallow.
Sure. If you have more space, definitely add another marshmallow. That's a good idea. And then I'm going to do a tiny mouth. And then I'm going to do a sleeping marshmallow because he's so cozy in the warm hot chocolate. And an open snoring mouth. Then I'm going to do those eyes with the open mouth. This guy's yelling. And then this one's going to be sleeping fast asleep. She's getting her beauty rest. Like so. Okay, everyone good? Okay, now we're going to make the rest of the mug brim. So we're going to go this way and then right there. So that's the cup. And around here and here. It connects all the way around. Good. Those little marshmallows are kind of sinking in. Next, we're going to do some eyeballs. I'm going to make one eyeball big, and I'm going to make the other one winking. You can make both winking or sleeping, or both eyeballs open. It's up to you. So I'm going to make one eyeball here. And then I want to make one eyeball closed.
I'm gonna make mine open.
Okay. And then for the eyeball, I'm going to make a big circle up here and a little circle underneath, and then color in around. It's getting dark over where we're at. Better hurry up. And that's the cute face. I'll make some little lines here for like the base of the cup. I'm also going to make a little saucer around. So just kind of do an oval around and then some lines. Good. Ooh, I like your eyes. Those are really cute. Really big. It's going to take a while to color in though. Very pretty. Oh, I almost forgot the mouth. So my mouth is going to be open. So I'm going to do like that. The little tongue. And some cute cheeks underneath. Nice. Good job, everybody. Now, my hot chocolate's hot. I don't know about yours. So we're going to add some steam. You can add swirly steam, or you can add straight steam, curved steam, whatever you like, kind of steam you like. Here we go. Ooh, I like that. Very cute. I like the little Z's you added for this sleeping one. Very cute. And the little cheeks. I'm gonna add some cheeks too. That's cute. I like that. Nice. Okay. So next we're going to do some eyebrows if you want. If you don't want eyebrows, you don't have to add any. So it's really up to you. Or if you want like a stick coming out here for stirring your hot chocolate. I'm just going to add some eyebrows. And I'm all done. So now it's time to
Color.
color in Doodleville. Happy coloring, guys. again for watching, you guys. I hope you guys had fun today watching our video on how to draw a cute hot chocolate. We're gonna go grab some hot chocolate right now because we're freezing outside, and snuggle in and listen to some warm music. And thank you for Krista for coming here today to help draw. Your picture looks awesome. I like your, what is that, the steam? That's so funny. Your eyes are gorgeous. Oh, gorgeous. I love your cup style too. We have 2 different cup styles. Yeah. Awesome. Okay, guys, we will see you tomorrow in Doodleville. Subscribe, like, comment down below. Love you. That's some good hot chocolate. I hope you guys are enjoying your hot chocolate and drawing a cute one too. Subscribe, like, and comment down below.